Hello, Grade 3, how are you? I hope you are happy and safe. Our lesson today is divide by 4. Let's start with example number 1. The distance around a square window in Peter's house is 12 feet. This distance, all this distance is 12 feet. It's a square. As you know, in a square, all the sides are the same, have the same length. Now the question is, what is the length of each side? Find 12 divided by 4. One way to find the answer of this division sentence is to use models, as we did before. So let's start with these counters. Have 12 counters, grade 3, just like these ones, and then circle 4 equal groups. Since they are 12, the simplest way to circle 4 equal groups is to divide these counters into 2 equal groups at the beginning. We have 12, so now we have 6 and 6. We need more groups. Now we will divide 6 to 2 equal groups. So we have 3 here and 3 here. The same for this group. So now we have 3 and 3. Now we have 4 equal groups, 3 in each group. So we will circle this, the first group, the second group, the third one, and the fourth one. So there are 3 counters in each group. So since we have 3 counters in each group, so 12 divided by 4 equals 3. So the length of each side of the window is 3 feet. So this one is 3 feet. This one is 3. This one is 3. And this one is 3 again. To find the answer, we can use another way, which is use repeated subtraction. Since the dividend in the division sentence is 12, so we will start with 12. And the divisor is 4. So we will subtract 4 many times until we reach 0. So 12 minus 4 equals 8. And now 8 minus 4 equals 4. Then 4 minus 4 equals 0. Since we reach 0, so we will stop. Let's see how many times do we subtract 4. 1, 2, and 3. So 12 divided by 4 equals 3. And groups of 4 were subtracted 3 times. Now, please grade 3, be sure to write these answers on your book, page number 389. If you finish, let's solve example number 2. An ostrich egg weighs 4 pounds. The total weight of the eggs in a nest is 28 pounds. How many ostrich eggs are there? To find how many ostrich eggs are there, we have to find 28 divided by 4. We can write it this way or this way. We can find the unknown using a related multiplication sentence. You know that the multiplication is the inverse operation of division. So, since the division sentence is 28 divided by 4 equals the unknown, so we know that the multiplication sentence is something multiplied 4 equals 28. And you know this fact, 7. You know that 7 times 4 equals 28. So we know that the unknown in this division sentence is 7. So 7 times 4 equals 28, and 28 divided by 4 equals 7, and the unknown is 7. There are 7 ostrich eggs. Now let's solve the question number 1. Use counters to find how many are in each group. Here we have 8 counters, 4 equal groups. Again, you can draw or you can have 8 counters, just like this. To divide these counters into 2 equal groups, we can divide the whole group at the beginning into 2 equal groups. Here we have 2 and 2, so 4. We will divide the groups here. So now we have 2 equal groups, and then we will divide each group into 2 equal groups again. So now we have 4 equal groups, 2 in each. There. So since we have 2 counters in each group, so 8 divided by 4 equals 2. The same for question number 2. You can solve it the same way. 24 counters divided into 4 equal groups. We will get 6 in each group. So 24 divided by 4 equals 6. Let's solve the question number 3. Use repeated subtraction to find 20 divided by 4. 20 minus 4. We will start with 20, of course, because the dividend is 20. So 20 minus 4, because the divisor is 4, equals 16. And then 16 minus 4 equals 12. Then 12 minus 4 equals 8. Then 8 minus 4 equals 4. Now 4 minus 4 equals 0. Since we reached 0, so we can stop. Okay, so let's see how many times do we subtract number 4. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we subtracted 4 5 times. So 20 divided by 4 equals 5. Now, please grade 3, be sure to write these answers on your book, page number 390. Now it's your turn, grade 3. So please try to solve these questions by yourself, and then when you finish, you can check your answers here. This is for page number 391, and the same for the next page, page number 392. Here they are. The next page is your homework, grade 3. So please try to solve it by yourself, and then when you finish, you can check your answers here. The same for page number 394. Here it is. And of course, you can check your answers for Check My Progress here, page number 395 and page number 396. That's enough for today, grade 3. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.